Hello everyone, now we will do some mathematical operations. So let's begin. First of all, create a new file. So we will create a new file and we will name it operations. And click OK. Let me remove it. And now let's create a variable. For example, apple is equal to 3 and dollar banana is equal to 2. So total fruit will be equal to $apple plus $bananas. Okay, so the total fruit will be equal to the number of apples plus the number of bananas. So that's a simple addition. And now let's echo it out. So $apple echo $apple and echo plus sign and then echo $bananas and then echo equal to sign and then echo $fruit. So let's check the result. So it will show us apples is 3 plus bananas which is 2 is equal to the number of fruits. So let's check that. And let me remove this. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, as you can see it. So now let's write these lines in a simple way. I will remove these lines of codes and apple plus what will we write? The dot sign and then plus, so that actually it will not add it, and plus bananas and dot operator. Then what we will write? The equal to sign and then the dot operator and then $bananas. Okay, and at the end a semicolon. So now you can see 3 plus 2 is equal to 2. So we have to write it fruit, $fruit. Now let's see the result. And you can see 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we have written it in just one single line. So if we do it in the other way, it will not give us a proper result. You can see, we remove this one, so it will add it actually. So you can see 5 plus 5 equal to 5. So in order to prevent it from doing it, so we will do it this way. So it will actually print the plus sign there. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.